All right, so we're going to start with some boxing news. Um, Ricardo Brown is an amateur no more. You know what I mean? He has turned pro, and Wade has the story. So let's just get into it. No delay. What's up, Wade?
Yeah, Jamaica's senior amateur boxer, super heavyweight Ricardo Brown, has entered the professional ranks according to Loop News. The 31-year-old Brown, popularly known as Big 12, has signed with the Canadian promoting company United Promotions and is expected to make his pro debut early this next year. Brown, who has been based in Canada for the past 2 years, said he was very happy to be a part of United Boxing Promotions. I'm humble and I'm looking forward to seeing what United Boxing Promotions have to offer me as I start my boxing career, he said. Tyler Boxon, the principal of United Boxing Promotion, said the Jamaican Olympian is ready to challenge the boxers in the popular heavyweight division. Everyone loves heavyweights, and at 6 feet 7 inches, no joke, Ricardo is a massive heavyweight, said Buxton. They call him Big 12 for a reason. He has knockout power in both hands. I'm excited to launch Ricardo's professional career and build a platform for professional boxing in Jamaica with Big 12 leading the way. That's a very good shout there. Big 12 being a pioneer and hoping to lead the way and open the door for many amateur Jamaican-based boxers to this Canada market. Hopefully, as this spokesperson for the what's it called there, United Boxing Promotions.
Yeah.
He goes on to say, I am more than excited about the possibility this professional future entails, the boxing board president said. I'm not only certain that it will be a bright one, but I believe he has all that it takes to be a future world heavyweight champion. That's a big toast. And we look forward to him fighting as a pro here on home soil. Brown competed at the Tokyo Olympics earlier this year to become the first Jamaican boxing representative at the Olympics since the 1996 Atlanta Games. He crashed out in the first round of the men's super heavyweight 90 kilogram division, losing to India's Satish Kumar. Brown is trained by Dwight Fraser, a Jamaican who operates a boxing and fitness gym in Mississauga, Canada. Fraser represented Jamaica at the Olympic Games in Los Angeles and reached the quarterfinals.
Okay.
That's it for the articles.
All right, then. So, good luck to Sir Brown.
Yeah, man, and congratulations.
Yeah.
Not only is he doing Jamaica abroad, but he's also setting, a foundation for a platform for other amateur Jamaican-based boxers to plight, their profession on a big stage.
Yeah, and he's going.
It's admirable.
Yeah, and he's going to into a division, that heavyweight division, where we have a rich history.
Yeah.
As a country in boxing, you know what I mean? When you think of a Razor Ruddock, old guy there that died out of Portland. What his name again?
Yeah, man, I know.
Burbick, Trevor Burbick.
Burbick, yeah.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
For Tyson, right? It was Tyson who retired,
Yeah, man. Tyson mashed him up, man. They say it was revenge for Muhammad Ali. Yeah, man. So yeah, but good luck. Good luck. We're in your corner. Wishing you the best. I see that your promotion company and your new management company have high hopes for you. Hope it works out that way. You know what I mean? And those are my thoughts on that. I'm excited to see his first professional fight. We might cover it depending on how much promo it gets, in terms of if it's made public and we are well aware of it, we will be on it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, Wade. So any final thoughts before we get out of here in that one?
Just hope that president of the promotion company delivers on his promise, and likewise Mr. Brown continues to achieve.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.